Where my raza at? Where my raza at? Where my raza at? Where my raza at? When I say viva, you say la raza viva. It's full of balas, I'll put it in your face and you won't say nada. Vatos cholos, you call us what you will. You say we are assassins, you children taught to kill. It's in my blood, Aztec warrior, go to any extreme and hold no berries. Chicano, what? Want this chingazo, so you wanna see us get down right now in the dirt. What's the matter? You think you gonna get hurt? I'm with my homeboys, my camaradas, kicking back on me, y pa' mí no diga nada. You soy chingónese, I got the ponese, with all I throw, so don't ever try to sweat me. Some of you don't know what's happening in pasa. Say it one time, come on. This is for the raza. Where my raza at? Where my raza at? Where my raza at? Come on, where my raza at? Where my raza at? Where my raza at? Where my raza at? Make some noise. No me escalo. Y sabes que loco, yo soy muy malo. Tú no sabes nada, your brain is hollow. Been hit in the head too many times with a see you trying to act cool, but you should know you're so cool that I'ma call you. You disappear when you can't get none ever. You're on the lever. Your own body doesn't back you up. They just look at you and call you a poop butt. So I look and I laugh and say que pasa. Scream it one time again. Come on. This is for the raza. Alright, now I'm gonna say this, and I really want everybody to make some noise. Listen, Viva la raza!
That's right.
In celebration, Ruben Salazar, the $1 Million. Y'all know your history, East Los. Yo, check it out. Man, I want this thing to be so loud that they hear it. It's all good, though. I love y'all. Check it out, man. I was cruising in the car, you headed for the bolo. No one to go with me, so I had to go solo. And when I go out alone, I just with the chavalas when I know that I'm strapped. Man, every time that I pack my piece, man, I pull it out quick and all the nonsense will cease. Like the song when you're 18 with a bullet, got my finger on the trigger and I'm not afraid to pull it. If it gets out of hand, I know somebody else quick to put some instant with them about. Sitting there wondering what's happening at Pasa, it's 2020. You know why? I love my raza. Where my raza at? Where my raza at? Where my raza at? Make some noise. Where my raza at? Where my raza at? Where my raza at? Where my raza at? Make some noise. Yo, y'all see it? Y'all see it? Y'all see it, man? We got our plight, man. We got our plight too for our raza, man. Los Angeles, it's time to get up and rise, man. We got all these people with the strength of all these cars and all this power. You guys know, man, look down this street. There's millions of dollars worth of cars wrapped around all of this right here. I love y'all, man. Peace, man. Thanks for having us out here.
All right, let's go take over Hollywood Boulevard. Everybody drive safe, start cruising, already flashing, and let's do this.
Let's go to East Los at the end.
All right, we stretched that 5 minutes into 20 minutes, so we really need to get in our cars, and let's move. Thank you very much.
Can you take a picture of me? Appreciate it.
Don't forget to register to vote. Vote in November.
Still back there, all right.